YouTube. Today we're making super realistic Oreo cookie earrings. You will need earring components, a box of mini Oreo cookies, and some air-dried clay to replace the fillings. I use lacquer to coat the cookies several times. The lacquer has a brownish hue, but it doesn't matter since the cookies are in a darker shade. While you're waiting for the lacquer to dry, flatten out a ball of air-dried clay and stick the eye screw onto the top in this position. The clay have to be completely dry. If it's not, moisture will seep into the cookie and turn it into this mushy thing. Because my clip-on earring has a flat surface, I glue on fake diamonds, which I harvest from a broken custom jewelry thingy thing. And after that, all you have to do is twist open the jump ring, put in the cookie combo and the clip-on earring, and then twist it back. And that's how I make the earrings. Thanks for watching.